Good morning, friends. This is KM from Lucknow Multidimensional Political Party as well as Bahuayami Rajnitik Party. How are you? Hope you are good. So, today I am discussing about what is the benefits of this political party and what is the structures of the political party. There are some persons which asked to me what we get benefits for joining this political party. So today I discussing about the benefits of the political party as you watch the titles of the video. So discuss. If we talks about quotations of this political party, such likes बोल की लब आजाद है तेरे as well as अब राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं बनेगा या नेता का बेटा नेता नहीं बनेगा. So after joining this political party, you are able to get anything. Such likes in this political party. First of all, you should must have graduate for joining this political party for becoming the officers. And in this political party, you get a free of cost education policy, life insurance policy. In this life insurance policy, you get approx many more benefits which is related to higher educations. Similarly, in this political party, if you are officers of this political party and you are interested to journalism and mass communication, joining this political party you get employee letters, identity cards and officers letter for journalism in your fields which is related to education techniques and related research. You are become a good reporter, editor, journalist and extra. Similarly, if you are officers, district officers, state officers of this political party, you get BSNL phone numbers, SIM cards for communications of your social activities. Similarly, in this political party, having portals such like SMS portals, voice calls portals, as well as birthday portals for wishes the officers as well as the members. In this political party, you are become after become the admin of the Google server channel and the admin panel. You can use these portals free of cost. After then, if you organize any event or activity, the political party provides you some things such like dress, badge, mufflers, cards, etc. If you want to some government administration informations for taking the RDI and you want to file the writ, this political party provide the help, some fund related helps which is related to RDI and writ. You can also use for RDI. Similarly, in this political party, you provide get free of cost the employee letter and power letter, and this is the first political party all over India which is provide the ID card. This ID card valid all over India. You can discuss about this. Similarly, this political party publish a free of cost constitution of this political party, multidimensional political party. Also, the solutions, problem solutions related to political structures magazines. Other political party having some costs of our constitution, but multidimensional and Bahuayami Rajnitik Party no any cost for constitution. This constitution free of cost for any officers as well as members. If you want to visit this constitution, I request to you please visit the official's website of www.multidpublication.in and download this option. You get this constitution free of cost. Similarly, if you want to discuss about the political narrative in this political party having so many present times advocates. Every district having a particular advocate which is called the advisor. With the help of advisor, you can discuss about politics. Similarly, in this organization having a multidimensional publications house, if you want to publish your books, articles, and social issues, research articles. In this publications house you can publish free of cost the research articles which is related to in your field, such like education technique and research and also social activities. In this political party, after joining you get a letterhead, stamps, mohurs as extra. And first, the largest skills of this political party, every states and every districts officers get a particulars official's email ID, login password and ID. After using this email ID and password, you can get more communications and documentation process via emails. This is the first social issues of this political party. This types activity other political party you can't watch. And this political party helpline number talks about 0522273111 and similarly 2730 A call you can call in these numbers and discuss anything. If you talk about the official websites of the political party, you can put in Google www.multidpublication.in. Visit this. If you visit carefully this, you get a four options. First is NGO option, second is the publication, and third is the multidimensional news agency, and fourth is the political parties. You can enter fourth part of the political party. If you want to know about this national president of this political party, the KM Amis is the national president of this political party. His contact number is 9918422098. You can also call him, call his and discuss something about politics. This political party also depends on scientific approach in this, having all our officers are graduates. So I hope you are discuss and give me a right suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. Inqilab Zindabad, Shaktimev Jayate.